This is Steve Pistillo from P2 Automation, and welcome to the final video in our short mini-series that describes how we handle customer service cases in the metals industry. So we have everything done. The case has been entered, all the information has been collected, we have our claim requests recorded, tasks have been completed, and now we need to submit it for approval. This client follows a 3-tiered approval process, where each case needs to be approved by a direct report, the department manager, and the CEO of the company. And once that's done, everything comes full circle and comes back to the person that created the case to close it out. So how do we make that happen? We use our business process flow to kickstart it. The person handling this case simply clicks Next Stage to pass this on to their direct report. And it's on for initial review. The system will generate an email like this. The subject line has the case number and the customer, and the step required, initial review. So the direct report opens the email and clicks a simple link, which will bring them right to the case screen. When that person opens the case, they can read through everything. We could ask them to go up to this step in the business process flow, but we like to keep it super simple. All they have to do is click the approve button. That will automatically bump this to the manager approval level and send an email to the department head. Or if they're not happy with it, they can reject the request. To do that, they'll just click reject and then enter a reason. Click OK. That will send an email back to the previous person with a note that includes the rejection reason. And a similar process happens at every step along the way. Once everybody signs off, the person that entered this can click on the complete step and finish. That deactivates the case and closes it out. If anyone ever needs to come back and view the timeline for the approval process, they simply click here. Every step is recorded, who did what and when. If you'd like our help with your customer service needs, reach out to us today at www.p2automation.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.